All right, guys. Happy Friday to everybody. We're gonna start off with Jamie's gonna do a couple boxes of 2018 Panini Victory Lane Racing. Appreciate it, man. Started this case a couple days ago. Let's continue. Roll through the base. Start off with a Ty Dillon. Triple Mem. Number 2/199 in a printing plate. And that is Martin Truex Jr. 101 plate. Next two. Terry Labonte, number 249. Red parallel. And a Kyle Busch. Dual mem to 199. Autograph of Cody Coughlin. That's number 299. Chase Cabri, number 299. Parallel. And last pack. Martin Truex Jr. Nice. Fire Suit autograph number 200. And now box one. Box two. Joey Logano, dual mem number 2/399. A Matt DiBenedetto, number 299. Chase Elliott to 25. Celebrations, blue parallel. And Dale Earnhardt Jr., Fire Suit, number 2/199. Autograph of Nicole Bear. It's to 99. And Austin Dillon to 25 parallel. Right, the last one. Finishing up with an autograph of Trevor Bayne. Octane Autos. That is to 125. And that rounds out box number two. All right, Jamie, appreciate it as always, buddy. I will get it packed up and out ASAP.